Hello, everyone. Uh, Good evening and warm welcome to the 30 hours student development program. I hope my voice is clear. Nita ma'am, so can we start?
Yes, yes. Just allow me to share the screen.
Yeah, sure.
Hope I'm audible to one and all. A very good evening and warm welcome to all the participants who have joined in. And my hearty welcome to all the dignitaries from the different colleges who have gathered here as our guests, wherein I would be today's host talking about the 30 hours of student development program on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So before we could start, I would like to introduce about our XLR, share a few words about the same. So we XLR in the market for more than 11 plus years, founded in 2013 by IIM and ISB alumni. USA World Headquarters in Houston. We have so far trained 6 lakh students and professionals, and we cater to the skilling needs of individuals, institutions, and industries. We have our global presence at Houston, United States, and we have in Bangalore. We have two locations where we are functioning from, and Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, two locations, Pune, two locations. With our strong ability and our potential in the market for more than 11 years, we have having our strong connect with our premium associations like IIT Roorkee, I have Divya Sampark, Skill Up APSSDC, APSHE, Task, KMDC, IIT Madras Pravartak, IIT Roorkee, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, Pilani, NASCOM Future Skills, having our courses, EDL courses, and many more courses on the NASCOM platform. And our certification also, it is strongly being built in connect with NASCOM. So on those regards, we have been awarded twice by Deloitte, appreciated and awarded by APSSDC, IIT Roorkee, Silicon India, Analytics, and many others. So to give a glimpse of what exactly which we have done in our Esther years is faculty development programs, strongly in connect with 55,000 plus engineering faculties, webinars, seminars, workshop, close to 500 plus, student development programs, close to 6 lakhs. And through these, we also have placed a couple of many students having our strong connect with 5,000 plus placement partners, strong academy partners, association signing MOU, conducting FDP, SDP through them, and catering to their customized training program, SDP and FDP. These are few of our successful recent engagements which we have done on faculty development program, on full stack development at IIT Roorkee. And this is at IIT Roorkee with program on time series analysis and predictive analytics. This is at BITS Pilani, Hyderabad, programs on Power BI, machine learning. And this is our joint venture with IIT Madras Pravartak in providing joint certification courses. This is one of our successful success story as well, a case study which we would want to, with an intent to support the final year engineering students, understanding, doing a lot of research and understanding what are the gaps. And the many students who approached us also, we felt that yes, they are really good in the technical, but somewhere they were lacking in, and they were not able to make through the placement. So on those lines, we curated a 5 subject module, which is of coding skills, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, soft skills, resume building, and techniques to ace the group discussion and personal interviews. We have uploaded Infosys, Microsoft, many other companies, the papers, exterior papers, interview papers in our LMS platform, where the students, before they could attend an interview, they just go through these papers. And here, with regard to the Skill Up Final Year program, we have 50,000 plus registrations, out of which in Strong Connect with I Have Divya Sampark, we had multiple assessments, subject-wise assessments and assignments given to the student, out of which 5,200 students who were only eligible for this prestigious certificate and which was issued in Connect with I Have Divya Sampark, joint body of IIT Roorkee and Government of Department of Science and Technology, which we are very proud of having the strong connect and providing the certificate to the students. And the students also did wonderfully during this journey of Skill Up final years. So as our journey again ventured into the internships and projects, we had a strong connect with APSHE, wherein we had, again, conducted minor and major projects and internship program for XLR, where we had 180 hours of virtual self-paced experiential learning on 30 plus technology tracks, where the students were given LMS access and they had additional support with 240 hours of campus recruitment training program. Here again, we had provided the students with the through LMS while they were taking up the courses. There were assessments, assignments, which was certainly helping them to groom themselves with reference to the placement opportunities and how the process was. So this is on a glimpse, short snapshot of the same, where 18,000 students who participated for this internship were on 22 technology tracks, wherein 30 plus degree college students were there and 175 engineering colleges were there. A total of 213 colleges participated, and it was of a duration of 16 to 20 weeks. So this is a little a quick journey on how XLR has grown from 2013 until now, and we have launched the project training, and that has also been very successful, acquiring the students from different states, and we are growing enormously in terms of connecting the students, understanding the requirements of the project requirement. So without much further ado, let me talk about the student development program wherein all of you are waiting for the business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So before that, let me introduce our dignitaries for today. So we have our guest, Professor C. Chakradhara Reddy, Director of SV Degree and PG College, who has a Bachelor of Engineering from VIT and MS from Oklahoma State University, USA, and he preferred to come back home to take the legacy of the service in the educational field. He's a leader and the director of SV Degree and PG College and an assistant professor in computer science and training and placement officer. So my hearty welcome to you, sir, and over to you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so shall I start the topic?
Yes, sir. You can just give a few lines about your experience at your college and the importance of SDP here.
Yeah, so first of all, good evening, students, so faculty members and XLR team. So it's an absolute pleasure to be here as the honored guest of this wonderful event. So a student development program on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So I'm Chakradhar Reddy. I'm the director of SV Degree and PG College, Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. So our institution is one of the premier colleges in this region, so serving the student community from the past 25 years. So in 1999, our institution embarked on a journey with a singular vision, that is to provide quality education, foster intellectual growth, and shape young minds to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing world by an educationist, a philanthropist, that is the founder and chairman of our institution, Dr. C. Somshekhar Reddy garu. Our college is permanently affiliated to Sri Krishnadevara University, Anantapur, and recognized by UGC under section 2F and 12B. Also, the college got accredited by NAC with A grade, and we are offering courses BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA at UG level, and MSc, MCom courses at PG level. So, as we all are waiting for the topic, so let's move on to the topic of this SDP, that is business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So that is the topic which is revolutionizing the way businesses operate nowadays. So before entering into the topic, so let's start with the basics first. That is data. So just quite like the Big Bang, a catastrophic explosion that led to the creation of the universe. So technology today is dealing with something similar. That is the explosion and rapid expansion of data. So by the end of this year, we will have as many bits of data as there are stars in the universe. That is about 45 zettabytes of data. So I hope everyone knows what is zettabyte. That is 2 to the power of 70 bytes of data. So data is actually doubling in size every 2 years. And the growth rates will continue for the years to come. So, however, to most enterprises, especially in the IT, finance, and marketing sectors, this is nothing new. Organizations have been struggling to work with extremely large amounts of data sets and failing in doing so in most cases. So, incapable legacy systems and the rising data volumes left a huge void for a new solution to address this issue. So, this is the space where our topic fits. So, this growing importance of data, I will say a few sentences for everyone to remember. See, data when processed becomes information, and information when analyzed becomes knowledge, and knowledge when applied becomes intelligence, and intelligence is what makes you smart. So, data is a new gold mine, but only if it is harnessed smartly. It is not just the exponential rise in data that has many reeling over the consequences. The major problem lies in the inability to process it. So in today's data-driven world, making informed decisions is crucial for success, and business intelligence plays a key role in transforming raw data into meaningful insights. So first of all, what is business intelligence? See, BI refers to the strategies and technologies used by businesses to analyze data and make data-driven decisions. So it involves collecting, processing, and visualizing data to uncover trends, patterns, and insights that help organizations improve their performance. So two of the most powerful tools for this BI are advanced Excel and Power BI. So both of which actually enable businesses to analyze data efficiently and create meaningful and impactful visualizations. So first thing, the role of advanced Excel. See, Excel has been a cornerstone of data analysis for decades. With its advanced features, it remains a powerful tool for business intelligence. So some of its key capabilities include Power Query, which automates our ETL process, that is data extraction, transformation, and loading. Pivot tables and pivot charts, which use for summarizing and visualizing data dynamically, and some advanced functions, formulas, data analysis toolpack, and some macros and VBA, that is Visual Basic for applications and all. And the when it comes to Power BI. So while Excel is great for data analysis, Power BI takes business intelligence to the next level with the main thing like data connectivity. That means which connects to multiple data sources, including databases, cloud services, and even our online platforms as well. And data modeling, so which allows users to create relationships between data sets for deeper insights. And also interactive dashboards which provides the real-time visualizations that make the decision-making process easier. And the main thing, the rapid upcoming thing, that AI and machine learning integration. So this is a key area where we use predictive analytics to forecast trends. So students who have some knowledge about data, see, basically data is actually divided into three things, that is structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. And even the analytics are actually divided into three things, that is descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. So AI and machine learning integration comes with predictive analytics to forecast the trends, patterns, and behavioral things. And the last thing being the collaboration and cloud sharing, so which allows teams to work together using Power BI. And now this program, that is business intelligence, which is a combination of advanced Excel and Power BI. So why we need to combine this advanced Excel and Power BI? See, both tools actually complement each other. So Excel is actually ideal for detailed analysis and quick calculations, while Power BI excels at interactive reporting and sharing insights across organizations. So by integrating them, businesses can enhance data analysis, automate the reporting process, and make better decisions. So in today's competitive landscape, data is power. And tools like advanced Excel and Power BI give businesses the ability to harness this power effectively. So whether you are an entrepreneur, an analyst, or decision maker, mastering these tools can significantly improve efficiency, accuracy, and strategic planning. So I hope all the students acquire some good knowledge in this area through this SDP, and I wish all the best in your future endeavors. And I once again thank XLR for providing this opportunity to the student community and our college being part of it. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. You had given us a brilliant walkthrough on the business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So definitely it was fabulous connecting with you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Let's move on to the next dignitary of today's session, Dr. Joy KL, Principal of Saharadria College of Advanced Studies, Kodakara, who has 35 plus years of experience in chemistry faculty and held roles like head of the department and controller of examination, former principal of St. Thomas College Autonomous now, heading the College of Advanced Studies, and he is a contributor to achieving high NAC accreditation for both St. Thomas and Saharadria College. A hearty welcome to you, sir.
Am I audible, sir, ma'am?
Very much, sir. You're audible.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Esteemed dignitaries on online and my dear students. I am Dr. Joy KL, Principal Secretary, College of Advanced Studies, Kodagara, Kerala. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this meeting where we discuss an exciting opportunity for our students at Secretary College of Advanced Studies, Kodagara. Our institution is NAC accredited with a grade in first cycle of accreditation in 2023. Our college is affiliated to Calicut University, Calicut, Kerala. We have 70 UG programs and 6 PG programs, also with professional programs such as ACCA, CMA US, CMA India, Chartered Accountancy, Company Secretary, Data Sciences, AI, etc. In our commitment to providing holistic and industry-relevant education, we constantly seek collaborations that empower our students with the practical skills and knowledge. Today, we are pleased to explore a potential partnership with the XLR company to introduce SDP on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. These tools are not just software applications, but gateways to data-driven decision making and analytical proficiency, skills that are increasingly indispensable in today's job market. By mastering advanced Excel and Power BI, our students will gain a competitive edge, enhancing both their academic pursuit and career prospects. I would like to express my gratitude to the team at Exceler for their initiative and willingness to share their expertise with our students. I am confident that this collaboration will lead to meaningful learning experiences and open new avenue for your young minds. I look forward to a fruitful discussions and hopefully the beginning of a new chapter in skill development at our institution. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Having you here, it was pleasure.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Let me move on to the next dignitary for today's discussion. Dr. Jyoti E. Singh, Associate Professor from BMS Institute of Technology and Management. She holds 13 years of academic experience in management studies, awarded a PhD by Visvesvaraya Technological University in Behavioral Finance with a strong academy background in finance. Published 15 research papers in international journals, presented 25 papers at the conference, and actively contributes a reviewer for Scopus Index journals. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good evening to everybody present over here. I am Dr. Jyoti. I'm working as assistant professor and head for the Department of MBA at BMS IT&M. I deem it a pleasure to address you all on this occasion of student development program on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI, organized to the collaboration of BMS IT&M and XLR. BMS institutions take pride in educating students since 1946 in various fields of engineering and continues to provide world-class education in the coming years with more emphasis on research and development. The history of BMS Educational Trust rewinds back to the year 1946 with the establishment of first private engineering college in the country. BMS ITM alumni can be found all over the world, and BMS ITM, an institution with a class of its own, is one of the most sought after institutes for high quality engineering and management education in the state. It is a well established private engineering college in Bangalore, recognized by AICTE, Government of India, and affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. With its modern infrastructure, highly qualified and committed faculty, and active engagement, industry engagement, the institute has been recognized as an emerging technical institute in the state of Karnataka by VTU. AICTE has given zero deficiency report for the institute, which is a pride of our institute. Coming up with the collaboration, this partnership reflects our shared commitments to equipping students with the industry relevant skills that are very essential in today's data-driven world. And advanced Excel and Power BI are not just tools, they are powerful enablers that help professionals analyze data and make informed decisions and also to enhance business efficiency. Through this program, the students will gain hands-on experience in advanced data analysis, visualization, and automation, which are the crucial competencies for aspiring business leaders. And we sincerely thank XLR for bringing their expertise and industry insights to this initiative, ensuring that our students receive practical exposure to the cutting-edge tools and techniques. This SDP is a step towards bridging the gap between academic learning and industry expectation, empowering students to confidently navigate the challenges of the corporate world. And we look forward to an engaging and enriching learning experience. And we hope this collaboration continues to create more opportunities for skill development and career. Wishing all the participants a productive and insightful sessions ahead. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for your quick tips on and guiding us through in terms of the benefits where Definitely, the students who will be joining in for today's session will be making the best use of it. So let's move on to the next dignitary, K. Snehalata, Assistant Professor, TKR College of Engineering and Technology, an assistant professor in the Department of CSE at TKR CET with 2 years of teaching experience. Previously worked at Medak College of Engineering and Technology for 2 years, and she has 4 years of experience as a senior HR recruiter and IT development firm specializing in recruitment process. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Amar, I hope Snehalata is present.
There is some network disturbance actually with Snehalata ma'am.
Okay,
So clicking on the same meanwhile, we can move forward with the next guest.
sure. So let me welcome Ms. A. Vijay Bharati, Placement Officer of Elanki College of Engineering and Technology. Ms. Vijay Bharati, TPO and Elanki College of Engineering and Technology, specializes in student placements and industry connections. Dedicated to student development, she fosters career growth through effective training programs. Her leadership ensures a successful career opportunities for the students. Over to you, ma'am. Ms. Vijay Bharati. Amar, is there another?
Hello,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. Very much you're audible.
Yeah, fine. Good evening, everyone. I am Vijay Bharati, the training and placement officer at LNK College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. It is truly an honor to be here today at the curtain riser for the student development program on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI hosted by XLR. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to XLR for organizing this valuable initiative. Programs like these play a crucial role in bridging the gap between academic learning and industry expectations. In today's data driven world, mastering tools like advanced Excel and Power BI is no longer optional, it is a necessity. These skills empower students to analyze complex data, make informed decisions, and enhance their employability in a competitive job market. At LNK College, ESET is a private engineering college located in Patancheru, Hyderabad. It is affiliated with JNTU and offers undergraduate and postgraduate program in various engineering disciplines. The college has modern infrastructure, qualified faculty, and a strong focus on research and development. At LNK College, we are deeply committed to providing our students with opportunities that prepare them for real-world challenges. Collaborations with esteemed organizations like XLR help us equip our students with the latest practical knowledge. I encourage all students to actively engage in this program, ask questions, and make the most of this incredible learning experience. The knowledge you gain here will not only strengthen your technical foundation, but also open doors to exciting career opportunities in the field of business intelligence. Once again, thank you to the team at XLR for this wonderful initiative.
Thank you very much for your kind words, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let me move on to our today's expert who will be handling today's session, T. Swati, software trainer with 5+ years of experience in data science, machine learning, in CRISP, ML, auto EDA, and building data regression models using Python and AI tools. She is proficient in deep learning, NLP, business analytics with skills in frameworks like Flask, Streamlit, and data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. She has a specialization in machine learning, business analytics, business statistics, database management with hands-on experience in SQL, MySQL, and NoSQL. Over to you, Swati. Swati. Amar, could you please check with Swati?
Just a minute, I'm checking.
Huh. Amar, as in the trainer will be joining in, maybe you can cover up on the LMS KT.
Sure. Okay, done. Okay, so dear brightening minds, very good evening. I hope my voice is clear. You are able to hear me properly, and I'm expecting some of messages from your side into the chat box. The participants, those who are attending over the YouTube, the participants, those who are attending over the Zoom. I'm expecting messages into the chat box. That's my voice is clear. Yes, super. Yeah, definitely. You can raise your hands. Yes. And now Zoom chat is running. So you two participant, I'm going through your messages and you're saying that not able to join via Zoom. No need to worry. Whatever we are doing, it's completely live. Each and every information will be shared with you in the chat box. Okay. So be there. The Zoom capacity is 1000 and it's already full. Okay. So dear participants, myself Amar, and I'm working with XLR as a team leader from last 3 years, and I'm here to give you the LMS KT. So crystal clear, super, thank you. So before deep dive into the LMS KT session, I want one clarification. All of you are done with your registrations? If yes, please raise your hand. If you are done with your registrations, if yes, please raise your hands. In the Zoom, we have option to raise your hands. In the YouTube as well, using the chat box, you can raise your hands. Super. Okay, so few of you are posting the messages. Few of you are raised the hand. Great. Okay, so why I asked this question? Because those who not registered, I want them also to register. Why? Because to get the LMS access, registration is important, right? So I'm sharing the registration link over the Zoom and YouTube as well. So please click on that link and register yourself. Additionally, I'm pretty sure you are going to love this session at all. If your friends, your family members, your colleagues are looking to join this session, you can share this link with them. Let them also join with you. Okay. On this note, let's start with the LMS KT. Pravalika, meanwhile, you can just check with the Swati ma'am. I will finish the KT. You can ping me into the chat box. Okay, so let me share my screen. No need to worry. I will cover each and every question. So as this day one will take some extra time of as introduction, it's curtain raiser session. We'll give the idea about the registration attendance, how we will joining the session. Once we are set, then for next 30 hours, next 15 days, there will be no any disturbance. Completely and only a learning part. Okay. So let's start. So LMS is nothing but a learning management system. And by using the LMS, we are going to provide you the recordings of the session. First and most important thing, the recordings of the session, the material, you will find the agenda over the LMS, And after that, you can join the session via LMS as well. Every day, not required to go here and there for the link. I not receive the link. You will say again, sir, I not received the link. I not joined the session. Not at all. Okay. So I'm expecting everybody is going to use the LMS from tomorrow onwards, because from tomorrow you will be not receiving an email to join the session, right? You need to join via LMS. So those who registered with XLR till today morning 11, everybody we given the LMS access. And those who registered now, no need to worry, tomorrow morning, you are also going to receive the LMS access. Now, what actually is LMS and how you will be the signing? Important part. So let's move forward with that. So dear student, you need to open your email. So see, email is the important thing. You need to be active on that every day, right? So you need to open the email. While checking the email, check into the inbox. If you feel that I registered on the time, I not received the mail, then check into the spam folder as well. And you need to open the first email of XLR. The first email is nothing but a verification mail with the subject, welcome to XLR and verify your account, right? So in this mail, you can check, we mentioned the verification link. By clicking on that link, you need to set the password. So coming to the password, this will be a completely new password, okay? So it's not like that you need to provide the password of any account. This will be the completely new password, whatever you want, the combination of some words, characters, numbers, special character, right? And same password, you need to confirm here. This is the very first step towards to accessing the LMS. Okay, clear? Yes. Once we're done with this step, click on set my password and open the second email. Second email is nothing but a course invitation mail. Welcome to student development program on business intelligence using Excel and Power BI. Right? So in this mail, we mention steps, step 1, step 2, step 3, what you need to follow to access the LMS, right? So in the step 1, we mention the LMS URL. So dear students, URL, most of you know what is the use of URL, right? In our daily life, if we are using the web applications, like sometimes you will use the Instagram in your phone as an app, but if you are using it as a web application, it will be instagram.com or linkedin.com or amazon.com. So likewise, our LMS URL is onlinelearning.xla.com. All right. Why I'm tracing on that? Not required to open the email every day. You can just bookmark this URL to your browser, your Chrome, your Microsoft Edge, and easily you can sign in. So now I am clicking on this link, and here, see, whatever the URL I'm mentioning, you will find here, right? And I need to do a sign in. You are already registered member, not required to do a registration again and again. You just need to click on the sign in. Dear student, just a minute. So today's trainer, Swati ma'am is there. So I'm just giving the access. We'll continue with the LMS Katie, and after that, ma'am will just give you the quick walkthrough. Swati ma'am, can you please confirm if you have co-host access now? Okay, no problem. Let's proceed. So dear student, you are already registered member, so not required to do a registration. You need to click on the sign in. Once you click on the sign in, here you will land on this login page and you need to provide your credentials, right? So your email ID. Registered email ID you need to provide only, and the password. Which password? Now I'm expecting the answers from you guys in the chat box. No. What I mentioned, whatever the password we have already said, we need to use that password here, right? That completely new password. Yes, great. Okay, so let's suppose that I provided my credentials successfully, the mail ID and the password. And now I'm clicking on the login, right? So what next? Now, once I provide my credentials, I will land on the dashboard. Now I'm resharing my screen and I will show you what functionalities we have on the dashboard, how you will be joining the session. So let me reshare my screen. Okay, so once we provide the credentials, we land here on this beautiful dashboard. And here you will find the overview of entire dashboard onto the dashboard option. Be like, however, every movie will be having a teaser or trailer. You will get idea about the movie. So likewise, whatever you are going to get into this elements on the dashboard, you will get the overview like classrooms. Here are some banners, today's session and assessment, right? So the first and most important thing to join the session. How we will join the session? So there are two ways to join the session. First one is to join via Zoom and second one is to join via YouTube. Okay. So on my dashboard, you can see, you are able to see one option called today's session tab, right? In today's session, as I am a member of XLR, you are able to see a couple of classes opted for me, but we'll focus on this particular classroom. So you can check here. Let me scroll down. SDP on business intelligence day 1, right? So here, if you click on this join button, it will directly take you through the Zoom. Now our Zoom capacity is 1000, or sometime you will face issue with the Zoom to join the session. So in such scenario, what we need to do? We need to join the session via YouTube. Okay, how you will join the session via YouTube? If you check here, about today's session tab, there are 2-3 banners scrolling, right? So digital marketing, and third banner is for today's SDP. So I'm clicking on that banner. Once I click on that banner, it will take me through the YouTube. Okay, clear? How you will joining the session via Zoom and YouTube, clear? Right? Now, the important thing is that how you will be getting the links, right? For the attendance, then any material need to be shared or any file need to be downloaded or an application need to be downloaded. So all the information will be sharing into the chat box here. Okay. So how you will open the chat box? So you can check here. So you are able to see the XLR channel, and beside that only you are able to see the current watching a stream 635 and one more option of live chat. If you click on the live chat now, you will find this. Now, just for time being, I'm closing this live chat and I'm clicking once again on the live chat. So it will give me that pop-up, and here I can find the chat and I can easily chat whatever the queries and whatever the questions you are facing, you can directly post here. Okay, clear? So whatever the links we are going to share, will post it here as well. Secondary part, every day not required to set the alarm to join the session. I don't think so anybody will set the alarm to join the session. You will just set the alarm to every morning to get wake up, right? But if you click on the subscribe button, if you subscribe the XLR channel and click on the bell icon, definitely you're not required to run here and there at all. You will be getting the notification session started. Please join the session. It will not say please join the session. I am saying that, but you will get the notification that session started. You will be getting the notification. Easy, right? So let me go back again on the dashboard. How you will access the recordings and attendance and material, that is also important part. Okay, so now let me go into the classroom and I will search for that particular classroom. I'm searching, wait. So it's business intelligence. See, so SDP on business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. So this is my classroom. Everybody, those who register successfully and receive the email, you are also able to see this classroom on your classroom tab. Okay. So I'm clicking on this now, and here I will find the curriculum and meet 2 options. Okay. So first of all, let's go through the meet. In the meet as well, you will find that calendar. Okay. So our sessions are going to be happen from Monday to Friday, right? So today and tomorrow session will be there. Saturday, Sunday, no session. You can join the session from here as well. If you check the calendar for the March, okay, let me go into the March. Let me check that. See. Okay, so once I revert into the March month, I'm able to see, okay, so this is the day my sessions are planned and I need to attend that, right? Now let's go back into the curriculum. The first and most important option is a feedback and response. Submit your attendance here, right? So check, once I click here, submit your attendance, I will find one form. And here I need to submit my attendance and feedback. Why attendance and feedback is important, students? Why? What do you think? So to get the certificate of participation, 60% attendance is mandatory, right? To get the certificate of participation, 60% attendance is mandatory. Here you will find the feedback form, okay? And secondary part. So however, be like, if you're enjoying the sessions, really you are going to know all these things, then definitely we are expecting a good feedback from you, right? So you can just provide us a live feedback. Every day, this form will be active for 1 hour, and that time is 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, 8:30 to 9:30, this form will be active. Now, your next question towards to me, I know that. So before that only, I will give you the answer. So your next question is that, sir, I just registered. I'm not able to access to the LMS. It will take 1 more day. How I can mark my today's attendance, right? Is this question you are going to ask me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes? Acha, if those who are going to say yes, na, then I will provide the attendance link to them only. Right? Is that will work for you guys? No, right? Then let's be interactive. Not for LMS KT, but I want your interaction for next 15 days. Super. You two participants. Good. Great. Yes. So no need to worry. Answer of your question that no need to worry. At 8:30, you will be getting the link into the Zoom and YouTube chat. Happy? Yes or no? Happy? Happy. Super. Yes. But don't be here only for attendance. First of all, learning, right? And secondary certification, right? So we need to focus to just avoid this extra activity. We'll be sharing the link, and like 2 days, 3 days we'll be sharing. After that, we want make a practice that you need to go to the LMS, you need to do a sign in, you need to join the session via LMS, and you need to submit the attendance as well. Why? Because few more things are there. What you will find the agenda. Okay, so on today's session, what you will get to learn. Okay, on today's session, what you will get to learn, you will find that here. All right, so you can find the day-wise schedule. So here you can check, okay, on day 1 itself, we are going to learn introduction to the Excel from very basics. What is Excel, then sales, all these things, okay? So here Excel agenda is already uploaded there. Likewise, you will find the Power BI agenda very shortly. Below that, session recording. Check here. However, we are going to the live. So here the day 1 day 1 recording is already updated, right? Day 1 up to day 15, all the recordings will be here. Below that, if you go ahead and check that, we have one option called material. Click here for material, right? So we are starting with the Excel, and I don't think so Excel is there without practicing, right? Excel without practice, it's not possible. We need to practice on the formulas. We need to create a dashboard, right? We need to create the charts. So we'll be sharing some practice files with you. If you click on the material here, you will find the link and you can check the agenda is also uploaded here. And day-wise, the material, the Excel file, the worksheet will be uploaded here. What you need to do, not required to edit that. You can click on download that file and do a practice. Easy? Yes? Easy? Yes. So likewise, we need to access the material. So now let me go back into the dashboard again. You can check all these things are available here. Okay, and easily we can access, right? So I'm done from my side. Now, if you have any query or question, I'm opening the chat box and please ping your query into the chat box. I will take that for next 2-3 minutes and around it we'll start with the session. Questions? Zoom participant, YouTube participant, I'm checking the chat box. Question. If not, just mention that it's clear. Clear, sir. Super. Can faculty attend this? Yes. It's open for faculty members as well. Clear, no doubt. Great. Clear, sir. Okay, how to mark the attendance? You will get the attendance link in the chat box. You can mark that attendance over the dashboard as well. YouTube participant clear, sir. Why you can't take attendance right here? Here means what you want to say? Can I take the notepad and write your names? That's not possible. I have 2000 participants with me now, right? All clear. Super. You can anybody join now recently, you can go through the recording. It will be available over the YouTube, over the LMS. So you can just go through that and it will be easy. We are eager to start learning. Start the session as soon as possible. Yes, we are also eager to start the session. I registered now, no problem, works. Swati ma'am, are you there? Can you please confirm?
Yeah, Amar, I'm here.
Okay, great, super. So dear student, I hope all the queries and question, all these things are clear. If you are going to have any query or question, Zoom and YouTube, I'm there into the chat box. You can ping me. I will be solving your queries and question. So be there. So we'll be having an engaging and informative journey for next 15 days and 30 hours. So chalo, happy learning with XLR and we'll start with the actual session. So Swati ma'am, over to you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Amar. That's very nice to meet all the dignitaries in the beginning also. So here, good evening, everybody, all the participants here. So without wasting much time, so we will start with our session. I think the ma'am is already given a bit introduction about me. So I have, so let me introduce myself in a quick, so that I have, so myself Swati. So I'm from, have 5+ years of experience in this machine learning, data science, Python, and especially in the business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and advanced Excel also. And a bit intro about myself. So in a quick, without wasting much time, I want to start the session. Okay, Amar, I'll start with my session.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. And is my voice is clear and the video is also a bit clear?
Yes.
Just confirm you once. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay, right. So we you already given with some part of introduction by all the dignitaries in the beginning, right? So what you are going to learn and what exactly our SDP is. Okay, right. So I want to start sharing my screen. So we'll begin with the session now. Yeah, I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Actually, it's loading. As of now, it's not completely visible.
Okay.
Yes, now it's visible.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Thank you. All right. So, participants, I think the introduction about the business intelligence. So it's a student development program, especially on the business intelligence using the advanced Excel and Power BI. So before going to start with this advanced Excel and Power BI, I think the introduction is given by the dignitaries in a short that what is your business intelligence? Yes, can anyone tell me just what is business intelligence? Have you gone through this previously any business intelligence term? So all the participants almost are from the academics. So here learning these things is a bridge. It's a bridge between your academics and towards your career also. That much important. So coming to the business intelligence. So it is very essential about using the data, and you know about the data. So it's information, and right now and some large amounts of data in real time also we are generating, and we have different types of primary types of data, structured data, unstructured data, and everything. So especially the business intelligence tool, all right, so business intelligence is essentially about using this data to make better business decisions. So what is mean by business decisions? So what is the purpose of this? Right. So here, this business intelligence means the purpose, the main purpose is it help us like the organizations and the business clients, business leaders to identify their performance and identify their areas of improvements and capitalize their opportunities. So once they have each and every company, yes, every organization, everything, every business purpose, business organizations, every day by day, lot of data is generated, real time data is also generating. So that suppose let us assume one special one organization or the business organization wants to know what is exactly happening in their, like in terms of sales. Let us assume take the term sales. They want to know what is happening in terms of sales. Okay, and any up and downs, any such things, what to do, what is the root cause of happening this thing in their sales, any such kind of analysis that we can do with the help of this business intelligence tools in a short. Yes, tell me this thing, guys, is this possible to read? Like our table, right? You have one log register or log book around 2 to 3 rows of data. Yes, easily you can go and read each and every row, but is this possible to read if you have 1,000 rows of data? Yes, is this possible? No, not possible. Then how the organization will know that what about my sales, what is happening in my sales? Yes, such type of information how they will get? So this leads, so these tools, this business intelligence tools will help us to get this information, which are called the insights. The main word used is called insight. So the insight means the final is the meaningful information that we will give to the organization based on their data or the real-time data that is generated by the organization with the help of this business intelligence tools like Power BI, Tableau, and advanced Excel also. Ma'am, how it is possible? You said 3 to 4 rows of data is okay. Then what about this 1,000 rows of data? Yes, these tools will help us. So we can do the data analysis. We can do some cleaning of the transformations of the data. Yes, just assumption. I have 1,000 rows of data. Just now I have mentioned. So it is not possible. So what I am doing, I'm taking any one of these business intelligence tools for the help. So I'm taking Excel or the Power BI. So what I'm doing, I'm going to analyze visually. Yes, so these 1,000 rows of data, if you take simply like the bar chart, like the histograms, any visualization. So it will give the month wise. Suppose January is the sales, February is the sales, March is the sales, up and down. So visualization will help us very quick to give quick insights, so that based on our insights, whatever we provide from our end, that will help us, the organizations or the business leaders, to take the data driven decisions further. So the two important things here, mainly our business intelligence will tell us, so what is happening, why it is happening, and we will give them in the proper insight. So this is exactly the business intelligence. That is the purpose of business intelligence. So we will do some data analysis using advanced Excel. Yes, we can do that. We can do some transformations. Yes, we can do the visualizations. We can create interactive dashboards. That is the final phase that will give us the proper insight. So this is about the introduction about the business intelligence, and especially we are going to use the tools advanced Excel and Power BI. So this is about the intro. Right. Coming to the original session. So I have already shared the agenda and the drive link. So Amar is already given the instruction how to get the day-to-day materials also, and we will give that. Yes. Without wasting time, yes, I'm going to start with the session. So first, we'll complete our advanced Excel part. Once we finished all the agenda, I have given the agenda, right? Once we finish all this advanced Excel part, then we'll move to the Power BI. So this is the complete your 15 days SDP on the business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. Okay, right. So we'll begin. So yes, before going to start with directly Excel. Okay, right. You know the MS Office. I think we are using MS Office from past many years, right? So how many MS Office? What is MS Office? It's a Microsoft Office. Yes, already you know, you are aware of this, right? Just in a quick glance, without wasting much time, quick glance, just before going to start Excel, we'll see what exactly your MS Office versions and what are the similarities and what are the differences we'll see. Then particularly from your MS Office, so we are going to start with Excel. Okay, right. So introduction. So what are the versions we have? So the most commonly used versions are in Microsoft Office starting from 2010. And yes, of course, we have previously that also. But yes, we have many. Before that also, we have 2007 versions also there, the very older versions. But the 2000, these generations. So, right. So from 2010, 13, 16, 19, and the right now is Office 365, now known as Microsoft 365. Yes, so all these are some versions, very much used and popular versions. Previously also we have, but these are a bit advanced compared to the previous. Right, then what are the similarities between all these versions starting from 2010? Right, so core applications. What are the core applications? So most versions of the MS Office from 2010 to Microsoft 365 includes some core applications. So all these things are common, but some additional parts compared to the previous versions. Yes, we have Word also. MS Word is there. Yes, so MS Word is for word processing, simple word processing, Word documents. And we have Excel. Especially, we are going to deal with Excel in this. Right, so it's a spreadsheet, which is mainly used for analyzing the data. And we have PowerPoint. So you know the PowerPoint. Right now, I'm also giving some presentation. Yes, so PowerPoint from MS Office, that is presentation purpose. And you know about the Outlook. Yes, where we can handle with our email and calendars. And OneNote. Yes, so for efficient note taking, such type of things we can do with notes. And we have Teams, and we have access for complex databases also. This is from 2010. Okay, right. What are the differences? So what are the major differences from 2010 to Microsoft 365? So core applications, everything is have core applications and cloud integration. But initially we have basic. But from 2013 version, we have better from now to the till complete OneDrive and Teams and SharePoint. So Microsoft 365 is bit advanced. And yes, real-time collaborations originally started from 2016. And previously in 10 and 13, we don't have any real-time collaborations. And touch and tablet support, yes, from 2013 it is there. And a subscription, yes, only the 365, Microsoft 365 only we have to subscribe. Subscription is required. And the mobile app support, yes, Office 2010, no, there is no support. 13, 16, yes, separate versions in that. But 365 is full mobile support. Yes, these are the differences. The question is, Apart from all these versions, you said Microsoft 365 is the full-fledged, but it's compulsory. We need to do some subscription, right? No issue, guys. So my better suggestion, so even if you have 10, 13, 16, 19 or 365, your interface is same. So no need to worry. So if you have 60, yes, you can use that. Interface is same, bit here your icons, some ribbons, any names will here and there moves in the pane tab. That's it. But every interface is same for all the things. Only 365 is having bit additional mobile supports and OneDrive team and SharePoints. That's it. So guys, no need to worry. You can take help of any Excel for now. That may be 10 to 19, or if you have 365, you can use that. Only the interface is also same here and there. Here and there you can get ribbons change. That's it. Okay, right. Okay. Yes. So that's about the MS Office versions and their similarities and the differences. So especially we are going to start with our Excel, and let's begin the session. Okay, right. Okay, so yes, is my screen visible, guys? Yes, for today's agenda, only for today's. And you got your complete agenda in the drive link. Just go through this, what we are going to cover in Excel. Okay, in a glance, just in a glance, I'll share that also, no issue. So this is about your complete Excel from beginning to the advanced. Okay, right. So in the basic Excel, so from the day 1 to the day 7, that means 15 hours for your Excel, it will go. And introductions, like the first is your basic Excel's introduction, operations, and how to format the cells, and how to deal with the rows and columns, what are the basic functions, and how to organize this data. Then coming to the intermediate level of your Excel, like functions, intermediate functions like if, logical functions, datetime functions, VLOOKUPs, HLOOKUPs, index, and everything, and the validation. So what are the drop-down list? How we can handle this? How we can put these error messages, input messages in the validation? That means whether the specific column is consisting of validated data. Yes, such type of things. And like advanced formatting, yes, normal formatting to the additional format. Advanced formatting also I'll show you. So conditional formatting and the charts and graphs. Yes, here comes to the visualization part, and coming to the introduction about your pivot tables and how to use them. Then in the last phase, right, in the advanced Excel, we will start with our Power Query and Power Pivot, where the transformation things will happen in the Power Query, which is very, 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 very important for your real-time data. So these are the basic to moderate, right? But in the real time, we will deal with this Power Queries and Power Pivots. And the advanced techniques, yes, the charts, yes, here also. In the intermediate level, we will learn the basic visualizations. But in the advanced charts, we will take the help of pivot tables, and we can do the visualizations and a bit parts of the basic and applications about your macros and VBS. And the original, the last phase is your dashboards. This is very, very important, where this will give the entire dashboard to the client, the insights. So the final phase is your dashboards, interactive dashboards, and visualization techniques. And we will use some project case studies. We'll take one data sets, or in any case, we will go with that. And if time supports, guys, I'll go with some analysis, like your some part of machine learning 1 to 2 models with the help of a solver for optimization. So this is bit more advanced, but for this we require some machine learning knowledge also. Okay, that is the models knowledge. Okay, right. The coming to the today's agenda. Yes, this is your today's agenda. So what is Excel and overview of Excel, understanding workbooks, types of data, basic Excel operations, and formatting cells, number formatting, cell borders, colors, and shading. That we will go with this. Okay, right. Let me start with and how to open the Excel, right? I think everybody is having your Excel in your systems. Yes, right. So how to open your Excel? So you have your Windows search option in your laptop. You have your search option there. Yes, search option is there. Or else in the search option, simply type Excel. Simply type your Excel. See here. So everybody able to see this, the screen. So when you type at least 2 to 3 letters also, that is fine. See, I have my, yes, I have 2016 version. Okay, guys, following, let me check with the chat quick so that I can proceed whether my window is visible or not. Yeah, okay. So simply type Excel. So this is the way to open your Excel. So simply click here and wait for 2 to 3 seconds. It will open. Okay. Yeah, everybody. Thing is, I'll go a bit slow. The day one, right? So in the day one and day two, so this I'll speed up the process. So everybody here are the beginners, right? So we are going to start from scratch. So that's why I'll go a bit slow for today and a bit fast for tomorrow, a bit fast for day after tomorrow. Like that will increase. So you can do practice along with me. Okay, and I'll explain the keyboard shortcuts also. Meanwhile, you can note it down. It's your choice. You can note down your keys. I mean the shortcut keys. That is also okay, right? Right. Once you catch up my speed or the flow, it will be fine. Okay, right. Right. Everybody, open your Excels. Yeah. Okay. Right. So whatever the version you are using, guys. 2016 or 10 or 13, or if you have Microsoft 365 also, no issue. The introduction, this window will just change. Okay, right. Coming to this. Yeah. So here, if you notice, first of all, tell me this thing, guys. What is Microsoft Excel? What is Excel? The question is, we need to know what is Excel. Yes, what is Excel? Right. So here the Excel is a spreadsheet actually. It's an application, spreadsheet application that is a part of your Microsoft. Yes, exactly, the spreadsheet. It's a part of your Microsoft is a suite of the software. So what is the use of this Excel? Mainly we are going to use, it is widely used for organizing your data. Yes, we can organize your data. We can do some transformation. We can do analysis and visualization of the data. So bit clear about the introduction about the word Excel. Oh, okay, right. So let me start with your welcome screen. This is your welcome screen, guys. Yes, we can organize the data rows and columns. Yes, and everybody able to see your welcome screen. This is your welcome screen. And from here onwards, the first of all, I'll give the like intro about our welcome screen before proceeding. Okay, let me check my pen over here. Right, will you able to see this part, guys? Here, will you able to see this part? The recent. So what is this recent? Yes. So here, if you are using your Excel for the first time, so mostly you don't get any files over there. But see, I have many files. So what is recent? What are the recent files that I have used? So today I have opened this file. Yesterday I have opened 2 more files, and day before yesterday I have opened some more files. Yes. So what is the recent? What are the worksheets or everything, whatever you have opened previous Excel files, that everything will be visible over here. That's it. Okay. Then in the top side, if we able to see the top side, yes, in the downside we'll be able to see open workbook. Yes, if you want to open any other workbooks apart from this is giving the reasons, right? If you want to open any previous other workbooks, that is also possible from this open other workbooks. Okay, right. Coming to the top, so we'll be able to see this search online templates. So what is this online templates? Yes, so you know the PPTs, right? PowerPoint presentations. I think you are good familiar about presentations, right? If you want to make any background images or the themes, if you want to do so, such type you can get it from online also. Here also for the Excel, we can get some online templates. Yes, that is possible. And coming to the below windows. Yes, what is this window? This is your original blank workbook. This is your workbook. So before going to see this workbook, just we'll see some more windows. Take a tour. What is take a tour? If you want to know about what is your Excel and everything, the basics, everything, it will give you some welcome tour about your Excel. Then coming to the next one, the formulas. And if you want to know about anything about the formulas, so that is also possible. Okay, then the pivot table. Yes, I have already mentioned the pivot tables in the agenda. Yes, that is also possible. If you want to go through the tutorial, you can go, it will give you the information and the Power Query and the pivot tables and pie charts and like the visualizations. Yes, some other templates also possible. Yes, if you want to put some seasonal photo type calendars, any personal budgets, so that is also possible. See, these are some windows, additional things we have here. So based on your budget overview, if you want to make directly your monthly budget, so but if you want to use them effectively, we need to learn the basic Excels. Okay, no need to worry. Once we get complete the dashboard part, once we reach the dashboard part, you will get all over this templates. In quick and short, you can do this. Okay, right. And if you want to go through this like a tutorial, you can go there. Okay, right. Shall we begin with our workbook? So everybody, yes. So everybody, click on your blank workbook. Click on your blank workbook. Okay. Right, everybody open. And you want me to zoom it a bit more, or is this fine? Yeah, okay. All right, guys. This is your workbook. I'll explain what is this workbook and what is the sheet also. First, let me start with this windows and what you are able to see in the top side and the bottom sides. Everything I'll explain here, okay? Right. So see here, guys. Will you able to see this option in the top side? Yeah, we want me to zoom? Okay, okay, I'll do that. Yeah, is this okay now? Yeah, let me take my pen and I'll give you the introduction about this Windows first. Okay, right. See here, guys. Tell me what is this exactly? Yes, what is it? Yes, save. And thing is, guys, I told you already about the interface about your Excel, the workbooks. Only this, what are you are able to see on the top side. Some additional things you will get here. Some additional parts you will get over here. If you are using any 365, and here you will get like auto save option also. So in the 365, we have auto save option, but this is not there in the other versions. Okay, no need to worry. If anybody using 365, that option is available. And coming to the next one, so what is this thing, guys? Can anyone tell me what is this thing? Yes, if I click over here, what is the message it is giving? Yes, it's a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, guys. Quick access. You know, when we are using some mobiles, we will put some apps on the home screen to get quick access. Yes. So same way, if you want to move apart from all these things, you have all these three things. You have all these things, right? So here, if you want to make them all these things. If you want to make anything in short, if you want to get in short, you can put that specific thing in quick access tool, so that instead of searching for everything, just click over here. It will give you the direct icon over there. That is possible. Yes. How you will set your WhatsApp or Instagrams on the home screen of your mobile for quick access? The same. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Coming to the next thing. Yes. What is your top over screen? Will you able to see the file, home, insert, page layout? So what is this window over here, guys? Yes. What is this window over here? Yes. It's your tab. This is your tab. So all these are your tabs. Okay, and based on your versions from here onwards, you will get some extra tabs also. The version depends on version also. Some people will get up to the review and the view only. Some people will get up to the acrobat also. Okay, no need to worry. So mostly we will use all these distinct tabs. And see one more thing. Did you notice something over here, guys? When I click on specific tab here, so all my some icons are changing in the background. See here, when I click on insert, I'm getting the table, some with some icons. So page layout, so I'm getting some things, formulas, I'm getting something, see some text, date, time. So tell me what all these things. Yes, what all these things now here? Any idea? Yes. So whatever the things that we are getting here when we are clicking specially here is your ribbons. Getting my point, guys? So all these are your tabs, and these are your ribbons. These are your ribbons. So guys, my marker is not working. Okay, let it be. Okay, and did you notice one more thing in the ribbons? Anything? So okay, come to the home page. When I click over here, will you able to see some vertical bars separating your ribbons? See? Yes, will you able to see something over here? So what all these called? These are called your groups. Groups. So these things, this part. So this is groups. In each and every, whenever you click on specific tab over here, you will get, that means that vertical bar. So from here to here, see here, from here to here. So from here to here, this is your one group. And this is separating by one vertical column. So these are called your groups over there. Okay, clear? And this is about the tabs and the ribbons. And according to our requirement, we can go with the specific tab. We will use the specific ribbons also. So once we start the concept, the model, then you will get the idea how we are selecting the specific ribbon from the specific tab also. Okay, the introduction part about your tabs and ribbons and groups. Okay, right. So coming to the next point. Okay, right. Tell me, we have done what is Excel? Yes. Interface. Yes, we have gone through the interface also. Right. So what is understanding of your workbooks, worksheets, and sales? Yes, guys, see. Will you able to see in the top side book1_Excel over here in the top side? Will you able to see this? Yes. What is this part? Are you getting any name over there? No, we don't get any name over there. When you open your Excel workbook for the first time. Yes, book 1. Yes, by default, book 1. But once you save your file, so I'll tell you how to save the files also. We have some shortcuts to save the files also. But once you save the file, your book name will get changes. Okay, so here, what is this workbook? You know the book? We know the textbook or notebook. So your book consists of multiple pages. The same way, this is your entire workbook. If you notice in the downside, what it is giving? The sheet 1 over here, the sheet 1, right? That means your book, how it is consisting of the pages? The same way, the workbook consists of sheets. Sheet. So this is your worksheet. Worksheet means where you are going to do some work over there. Rows and columns. Yes, I'll explain what is rows and columns also. No need to worry. This is your entire workbook view. In that workbook, you have your first sheet over there. Okay. Then coming to the this part in the worksheet. Here, when I click inside the box, will you able to see some boxes over here? Will you able to see some boxes over here? See here, guys. One green color window is coming over there. What is this exactly called? Yes, these are called your cells. This is your cell. Getting my point? Yes. Yes, guys. Sorry for that. No, right. Cell. And okay, I'll type something else here. You can type anything. Yes, is it possible to type only the string over data, only the letters, not the numbers? See, guys, I'm able to type some numbers over there. Can I write my date over there? Some 12, 01, 2025. Is this possible? Yes. So number data, any special character data, if you want to put any currencies data, right? The type of data this cells accepts, that may be the string data, that may be the number data, that may be your date, currencies, any number format. And number formats also, how it is taking, how we can get specific number formats also, will explain. Okay, right, guys. Coming to the rows and columns. So clear about your cell? Okay, right. Coming to the rows and columns. Tell me what are the rows and columns, guys? Yes, which you are able to see. See, guys, all these vertical parts. Okay, tell me what is this vertical parts over here? What all these things? Yes, what all these things? These are your columns, guys, which are in the vertical direction. All will be your columns. And will you able to see this? The horizontal things. Will you able to see these things with the numbers over there? By default, you are getting your row number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, these are your rows. So all the vertical things are called the columns, and all the horizontal things which are called the rows. Okay, and guys, can I give a small question to you? So just scroll your Microsoft Excel to the right side. Just scroll your Excel to the right side, the last. Will you able to scroll that? In the downside, you have scroll bar is there. Yes, see, when you scroll there, see, after the Z, oh my God, after Z, I am getting AA, AB, AC, AD, and till scroll. Oh my God, still it is continuously coming. Yes, my question is, yes, how will you get the last part? Will you simply click on this this bar? over there? No need, guys. For that, we have one shortcut. So to reach to the last column name, we have one shortcut, that is use your control. Use your control. I'm writing over here. So control plus, you have right arrow. Yes, control plus your right arrow. See, guys, control plus your right arrow. Yes. Yeah, sure, guys. I'll use the red. Okay, thank you. Just tell me this thing, guys. Are you getting the last XFD? Yes, this is your last column over here. This is your last column over here, XFD. So what is the shortcut for that? Control plus right arrow in your keyboard. Control plus right arrow. Then, ma'am, once we open all the columns, then how to go back to the normal sheet? Simply control plus left arrow. Use your control plus left arrow. Guys, see, back to your original sheet. What are the shortcuts to reach to the last column? Control plus right arrow, and move back to the starting point of your columns, that is control plus left arrow. You can note down these keys, guys. Okay, then clear about this? Guys, tell me how many number of columns have you counted it? Have you counted it? How many columns you got over there? So we have 16,000 around 384 columns. That is the last of your column. That is your XFD. XFD. You have seen just now, right? So these are the total column counts. The last XFD is the count of 16,384 columns. Okay. So total columns you will get over here. Total columns 16,384. Yes, and coming to the rows. Yes, when you scroll down, see, guys, will you able to see the rows are increasing the count? Madam, how to reach to the last row? Any possibility is there? Yes, simply control plus your down arrow. Control plus your down arrow. Yes, and no need to count the row number. By default, it is giving your row count over there. Yes, this is the last row. Clear? And how to go back to the top one? Yes, control plus up arrow as usual. Again, and I'm not going to give the count, and anyway, you are getting the last row count over there. Yes. So tell me this thing, guys. In one sheet, we are getting around lakhs of rows of data. Yes or no? But here, if one sheet is holding this much amount of, this many rows of data, what happens usually when we go with our the tools, a bit difficult for the analysis also. But in the real time, we won't get that much huge rows. So no need to worry. But when you want to deal with that much type of, the huge files, then definitely we'll go with the databases, the help of SQL also. That is possible. Okay, but in the real time we won't get that much of rows. And if you want to generate the more data, see here in the downside we have plus symbol over there. Okay, plus symbol is there. So this is only for the one sheet. Yes or no? This is only for the one sheet. But how many sheets we can get over there? Yes, how many sheets? So see here, will you able to see the plus symbol over there? Right, click on the plus symbol. Guys, when you move your cursor over to there, this is giving the option new sheet. Yes, if you click over there, see one more sheet is getting added. Yes or no? Yes, right. If you want to get one more, yes, simply click on your plus. But here, guys, no need to worry. We have one the shortcut key for that. Shortcut key to get this sheet. Okay, the shortcut key to get this sheet is your shift plus F11. Shift plus F11. See, guys, Shift plus F11. If you use, guys, I'm giving the keyboard shortcuts also, which are very much helpful when you deal with the original projects or the cases. Okay, so note down the keys, my suggestion. So if you press one more Shift plus F11, yes, what is happening? The sheets are continuously adding, but thing is only the difference, guys. When you use your keyboard shortcuts, your by default sheets will be added to the left. This will be added to the left. When you click on the plus, directly your sheets will be added to the right. That is the thing. Okay. And if you want to move your sheets here and there, if you want to move your sheets in the order, yes, that is also possible. See here, guys, simply drag and drop. Drag and drop. You can put them in order also. That is possible. Yes, guys, so following how to generate the new sheets. The shortcut key is Shift plus, I'll write over here the first sheet, Shift plus your F11 functional key, okay, to get the new sheets. Is clear? Right. And yes, you can, you know how to zoom in and how to zoom out your sheets. If you are using the mouse, then you can simply scroll your mouse by pressing the control over there. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. And the maximum zoom that is possible, will you able to see this thing in the downside, guys? In the downside, you have zoom option also over there. Yes, tell me what is the maximum zoom that is possible? 400%. Okay, so 400% is the maximum zoom. We cannot go more than that. Okay, and how to zoom out? Just simply press your control in your keyboard and move your mouse like this ball. So you'll be able to see this ball, right? Mouse ball. I think you are able to see this ball up and down. So when you press, that is also possible. Okay, guys, clear? Right. The coming to the just we'll do the quick recap what we have learned till now. Right. What is Excel and what is the workbook? And we haven't renamed our workbook name. No need to worry. I haven't shown you the sheet renames also. No need to worry. I'll explain. And how to save the files. That also I'll explain. Yes, guys. How to delete the cell? Simply right click over there and you will get the delete option there. See, guys. Right click and delete. Yes, permanently deletes. Okay, I'll explain things, guys. We are just still in the cells and rows and columns only. Okay, right. Coming to the next thing. Yes, one more thing apart from agenda. What is the range, guys? Do you have any specific cell range? My question is, what is cell range? You know the cell. You know the columns, which are all vertical things, and which are horizontal with some by default serial number. Those are the rows. Yes or no? And what is the cell? Here, this is your combination of row and column. Yes. See here, when I move my cursor over one particular cell, yes, will you able to see this? I'm moving my cursor over this. And here, will you able to see something is changing here? You able to see something is changing here? Yes. Something is changing? Yes, this is your what? Yes, click over there. It's your name bar. Cell name, yes, name bar. That is called your name bar. This is your name bar, guys. Name bar. This is your name bar. And no need to worry. When you move your cursor over there, it will give you the information also. What exactly is that? Okay. Why I'm specially focusing on this name bar here is when I click my cursor on any specific cell, inside on any specific cell. See here, guys, when I click here, what is the address it is giving there? I'm using the specific row column D in the specific row number as 5. D5. Getting my point? See, when I move my cursor over here, my cell address is changed to C8. C column, 8th row. C column, 8th row. So that is what your name bar exactly. And if you want to go directly to any specific cell, just simply type over there. It will directly move to the specific cell. Yes. So column with row number, column with row number. Okay. Yes, clear guys. And will you able to see over here what is this? Yes, it's a formula bar. It's a formula bar, but here I don't have any formula, but whatever there inside the cell, whatever there, the content inside the there inside there, that is reflecting over here. See guys, I'll type something here like data. See here, this is your name bar, that means your specific cell address, whereas this formula bar is giving what exactly the information you have inside your cell over there. But we will discuss about this formula bar more in detail. Yes, we have to discuss this formula bar, ma'am. What is the use of this formula bar? And we have separate concept also. No need to worry. Just for idea in the beginning, what are these two windows over here? Okay, all right. We have more to deal with the formula bars, guys. Okay, right. And coming to the next part, tell me this thing, guys. No, right. So up to this clear? You want to ask anything? Yes, range. We left with range, guys. See here, when I move my cursor in this, it is giving my name as cell range. You see how to get this cell range. See guys, I'm selecting using your mouse left key. Using your mouse left, choose some cells like this, blue color. I'll show you one more thing, this thing. Choose, choice is yours. Yes, someone question. Yes, we can type the formula and it will be applied. Yes, in a glance, I'll show you that about the formula, not only the data. Just let me explain the cell range first. Yes, just choose something over here, guys. Or else you can choose like this also. It's your choice. So whatever the range you are choosing here, this is called your range of the cells. Range of the cells. Then how to identify this range of the cells, guys? Yes, how to get this range of the cells? Where it is starting? It is starting at which column? E. It is starting at E. Yes, it is starting at column E4. What is the row, guys? E4. And where it is ending? Where it is ending, guys? Right. So if I choose like this, why my cursor is not working today? Okay, choose anything. Then ending at which column? Yes, H. And what is the row number? 11. So E4 and H11. Yeah, guys, you can choose your own range also there. Okay. So what it is giving? My cell range, I have considered E4 to some H11. That means where is your cell is starting and where it is ending? Where it is starting and where it is ending. So that is separated by the colons, guys. Some H11 up. So this is your column and this is your row number and this is your column and this is your row number, guys. So it is separated by, this is your cell range. What are the cells you have selected? That will be given with this cell range. Okay. Yeah, guys, clear up to this? Yes, a bit clear up to this. Yeah, types of data, worksheets, opening, saving, and closing the workbooks. Okay, I'll tell you that. And navigating through worksheets. Just now we have done how to open the new worksheets also and entering the data in the cells and autofills. These things we'll do it in the tomorrow session, as we have started our session a bit. I mean, the introduction part is done, right? And then coming to this, the range is done, right? Yeah, guys, I'm sorry for that. And yes, saving. Shall we go with the saving options? We learn how to save. That is the next thing, right? Opening. Yeah, you know how to open the cells and how to save this. And see here, guys. When you click on the file, see, when you click upon the file, will you able to see the save and save as? Save and save as is there. So when you click on save as, so it is asking you to save your file. So choose your own, browse your where you want to save your files. Okay, browse over there, and I'll tell you the book names here. So we missed the book names, right? See, guys, by default we got the book, right? Book 1 there. And let me take introduction to Excel. See, guys, what is the type of Excel workbook? Yes, we are dealing with workbook, and we are renaming your entire workbook, not the sheets, guys. And choose your destination. Wherever you want to save, you can save that. Just simply click on save. Okay, you know the things. In the Word, we will do the same. In the PPTs also, we will do the same. Then what is the difference, ma'am? Yes, what is the difference? And here also, we have one shortcut for this. That is, in your keyboard, press F12. In your keyboard, press F12. Yeah, guys, I haven't saved the file. I want to show the shortcut. F12 directly. F12. Note down F12. Yes, directly it will give you the window of save as. Okay, window as save as. And yes, by default extension, what is the extension you will get, guys? XLSX, that is a workbook extension. You will get that. Okay, now you can rename your workbook. So, introduction to then, guys, just simply click on save. Simply click on save. Okay. Clear up to this part? Yes. Yes. Here, one more thing I want to tell you. The important thing here is, ma'am, is this possible to protect our Excel workbooks? Possible to set any password to protect our Excel workbooks? Yes. So that is possible, right, guys? So you know how to save, how to get the save as? Yes or no? Either press go to your file and click on save as, or else directly press F12. Then you will get this save as window, right? But now I want to tell you one thing, that is how to protect your Excel workbook with the passcode. That means password. Okay, right. See, guys, when you press, I'll show you one more thing, how to protect your workbooks. So this is my Excel sheet, Excel workbook. Simply press your F12. Yes, and you can rename over there, introduction. Then see, guys, in the downside, will you able to see this tools option? Will you able to see this tools option over there? Yes, click on this tools. So click on the tools. When you click on the tools drop down, will you able to see the general options? Will you able to see the general options over there? Yes, 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 yes. Click on general options, and it is asking you to set one password to your workbook, right? Before going to save that. Do one thing. I'll give one simple password like 1111, and just password to modify. No, guys, just simply type your password to open. No need to modify. Okay, and simply click on OK. And re-enter your password 1111. Guys, remember this password. If you forget, it is very difficult to retry. Okay, right, entered. Any password, guys. Just remember simple words I'm giving, okay? Simple numbers. And click on OK. Then click on save. Done. My file saving is done. So you want me to repeat, guys? So just simply press F12. Just rename your workbook over there. So I choose my desktop. Okay, go to the tools, general. Yeah, I'm repeating the things, guys. Press F12, choose your destination, give your name. So introduction to Excel. And we'll be able to see the tools I have already highlighted with the red box. So click over the tools, click over the tools. Okay, and click on the general options. And you have to enter your password over there. Remember the password just for now. And just give your simple numbers 1 2 3 4 1 1 1 0 0. So okay, and click on OK and click on save. Re-enter your passwords and save. Yes, done, guys. Yes, finished. No, it's very, we cannot retrieve the password, guys. Please be careful with the password. Okay, we cannot retrieve that. No option. Okay, done, guys. Then before going to open that protected Excel, how to close the Excel workbook? See, guys, in the top side, did you notice one thing? In the top side, your workbook name is changed. Book name is changed to Introduction to Excel. Your complete workbook name is changed. Not the sheet names, only the workbook name. Okay, then how to close this? Yes, simply you can go with your normal close window or else Control plus W. Control plus W. First, I'll write over here. So simply press Control plus W. So what happens if you press Control plus W? See? Oh, save. Yes, I want to save this. Oh, what is happening here? Your Excel workbook is not opening. The specific, your not entire Excel is not closing. See, guys? Your entire Excel is not closing. On the specific workbook, which is in open, that is closed. Getting my point? Yes. But how to open the new workbooks here? The shortcut is Control plus N. Control plus N. Control plus N. Control plus N. So how to close the specific workbook? Control plus W. And how to open the new notebook? Control plus N. So this is for new notebook. This is for closing the workbook. So how to close workbook? How to close the workbook? The shortcut is Control plus W. And after closing, how to open new notebook? How to open the new notebook, guys? Control plus N. Control plus N is a shortcut. Okay, think, guys? Clear? But how to open the existing? How to open existing workbook? How to open the existing workbook, guys? The shortcut for this is Control plus O. Control plus O. See, guys, I'm going to open Control plus O. See, when I press Control plus O, it is giving all the recent Excel files that you have used. That means existing things, existing Excel. Okay, so which one? I'm going to open the existing one. Existing one. Yes, guys, what is happening here? Will you able to see this window? Will you able to see this window? Yes, my Excel workbook is password protected. So compulsory, no one can open this without the password. See, guys, I'm opening my existing workbook, which is protected with the password. I'm entering the password. Now I'm able to open my existing workbook. See, guys, this is the thing we have done previously. I have saved this file. with the password. Yeah, sure. You want me to tell the password step one more time? Okay, guys, I'm just repeating for the participants how to get the password. Okay, simply press F12. You know how to get the save as? Yes, how to get the save as? Press F12. Okay, and where you want to save your file, just click over the desktop or documents or downloads. So tools is there. See, guys, tools is there. Tools, then click on the general options and you can enter your password and re-enter your password and click on save. Automatically it will be closed and saved with the protection, password protection. Okay, guys, and this and those who are a bit glad, don't need to worry, and we have these recording sessions also. Okay, right. Yes, for today, guys, I want to conclude. It's already 9:02, and from tomorrow your session will be sharp at 7 p.m. only, and no issue. Coming to this, what we have covered today in a glance, just we'll do some small recap. And we have done with what is your business intelligence, the discussion about the business intelligence. And after that, we have gone through some MS Office versions, and we are going to specially deal with the Excel and any version you can use. And yeah, I'll tell you the password remove. That with that I'll conclude. Okay. And what is the Excel? What is the Excel interface with the tabs, ribbons, and the groups? And what is the workbook? And what is the worksheet? And what is the cell? And what is the types of data? Yes, text data, number data, dates, and how to open the workbook, how to close the workbook, how to save the workbook with some shortcut keys. Okay, right. The question got from one person. Yeah, ma'am, how to remove the password, right? So simply right click. No, sorry, guys. Yeah, guys, just a second. We have that option. Missing that. Where is my protected sheet? Okay, guys, this shortcut, my window is got stuck. What happened to this? Wait a second, guys. Yeah, guys, you will get this recording sessions. Okay, guys, I'll do one thing. I'll tell you how to remove the passwords for the workbook as well as for this sheets also. We haven't protected our sheets. Okay, guys, let me conclude for now with the for today's session. We'll start with this only, guys. How to deal with the sheets and how to remove the password, how to protect the worksheets, and I'll repeat in a glance for tomorrow and everything. Okay, guys, right. Anything? I mean, yes, recorded session is available, guys. No need to worry. Recorded session is available. Just go through the recorded session, and if any material available and any ppts that I'll share in the drive also, and how to fill the feedback forms that will be guided by the I think already our sir is given some guidance on that. Just go through that and you will get your feedback links in the chats and the YouTubes also, guys. And yeah, you will get this recorded sessions from, I think it is streaming in the YouTube also. Yeah, product key, we don't have any product key. We cannot provide any product key. You have to use your full version of Excel. And if anybody is using any like the cracked versions of Excel, some options are not available, guys. It should be compulsory full version to get access of all the keys, like the tabs and everything. So it won't work for the cracked versions. You're supposed to get the full version. Yeah, okay, guys. Just if any doubts, and get the recorded session, pass and practice with the basic things. And this password protection from this topic, we will start at sharp 7 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So,
Yeah,
dear,
Amar.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Dear student, I hope everybody marked your attendance and shared the feedback as well. I am sharing that link once again in the chat box. So please take a moment to mark your attendance, share your valuable feedback as well with us. YouTube participant, I shared the link into the chat box. So please make sure that you fill the form. Thank you so much. Around 6,000 participants to watch our video on the YouTube live. So it's wonderful. I'm expecting everybody to like the session as well. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do that. So somebody's asked me YouTube channel name. Yeah, you can search with Xlar, you will find Xlar and Xlar solution. Don't ask me for the AI. So you will be getting the recorded video, right? So not required any another. Tomorrow time will be the same, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. There will be no any changes in the time. I hope you guys are enjoying the sessions. Yes. So tomorrow, please be there on time, sharp at 7 o'clock. We'll start the session, okay? And I'm expecting everybody, those who are there today, will join the session, right?
Yeah,
Same.
Amar. Yeah, Amar. This is Swati.
Yes.
Just after the session, just connect me once. I mean, like through the phone, just call me once. Okay?
Yeah, sure, sure. I will call you.
Yeah, yeah. Regarding this, I have few doubts. Okay, right.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, shall I wind up?
Yeah, you can leave.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Amar. Thank
Okay, chalo then. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining the day one and making it very successful. And we look forward for your active participation for day two as well. So till the time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and happy learning with XLR. We'll see you tomorrow sharp at 7 o'clock. Bye.